English phrases to talk about everyday problems. Ang lesson na to ay tungkol sa mga English phrases na pwede natin gamitin para sabihin o i-describe ang karaniwang problema na nararanasan natin sa araw-araw. I dropped my phone down the toilet. I dropped my phone down the toilet. Kahulugan, nahulog ko sa inidoro ang telepono ko. Pwede mong palitan ng ibang word ang phone. For example, sing-sing. I dropped my ring down the toilet. Next, we have, there's something wrong with my computer. There's something wrong with my computer. May problema tong computer ko. Again, pwede mong palitan ng ibang word ang computer. For example, TV. There's something wrong with my TV. The milk has gone bad. The milk has gone bad. Panis o napanis na ang gatas. We're out of sugar. We're out of sugar. Wala na tayong asukal. The internet has been down most of the afternoon. The internet has been down most of the afternoon. Halos buong hapon walang internet. I forgot to pay my phone bill. I forgot to pay my phone bill. Nakalimutan kong bayaran ng bill ko sa telepono. I failed my test. I failed my test. Bumagsak ako sa test. May isa pang informal English word na pwede mong gamitin instead of failed. I flunked my test. I flunked my test. I got into an argument with my boyfriend. I got into an argument with my boyfriend. Nagtalo kami ng boyfriend ko. I missed my train this morning. I missed my train this morning. Namiss ko ang tren kaninang umaga or naiwan ako ng tren kaninang umaga. I'm having a hard time assembling my new bed. I'm having a hard time assembling my new bed. Nahihirapan akong buuin ang bago kong kama. I overslept and was a bit late for work. I overslept and was a bit late for work. Napasarap ako ng tulog at medyo na late sa trabaho. I slept through my alarm. I slept through my alarm. Nakatulugan ko ang alarm ko. I sprained my ankle while playing basketball. I sprained my ankle while playing basketball. Napilayan ako sa bukong-bukong habang nagbabasketball. I got a flat tire on my bike. I got a flat tire on my bike. Flat ang gulong ng bisikleta ko. I got stuck in traffic. I got stuck in traffic. Na-traffic ako or naipit ako sa traffic. I forgot my keys, so now I'm locked out of my apartment. I forgot my keys, so now I'm locked out of my apartment. Nakalimutan ko ang susi ko kaya ngayon nasaraduhan ako sa apartment ko. I bumped my head on the cabinet. I bumped my head on the cabinet. Nauntog ako sa cabinet. Our washing machine broke down. Our washing machine broke down. Nasira ang washing machine namin. The pipe in my kitchen is leaking. The pipe in my kitchen is leaking. Tumutulo o tumatagas ang tubo sa kusina ko. I spilled some wine and stained the tablecloth. I spilled some wine and stained the tablecloth. Natapon ko ang wine at namantsahan ng mantel. My phone battery died. My phone battery died. Namatay ang baterya ng telepono ko or nalobat ako. I got into an accident and dented my bumper. I got into an accident and dented my bumper. Naaksidente ako at nayupi ang bumper ko. I fell and bruised my arm. I fell and bruised my arm. Natumba ako at nagkapasa sa braso. The printer is out of ink. The printer is out of ink. Wala nang ink ang printer. The wall clock is not working. The wall clock is not working. Hindi gumagana ang wall clock. I can't find a good job. I can't find a good job. Hindi ako makahanap ng magandang trabaho. I have lost my ID card. I have lost my ID card. Nawala ko ang ID card ko. I got caught in the rain. I got caught in the rain. Nabasa ako ng ulan. I can't hear you. There's no sound. I can't hear you. There's no sound. Hindi kita marinig. Walang sound. The elevator is out of service. The elevator is out of service. Sira ang elevator. My car won't start. My car won't start. Ayaw mag-start ng kotse ko. I spilled water on my laptop. I spilled water on my laptop. Natapunan ko ng tubig ang laptop ko. I burned a piece of toast. I burned a piece of toast. Nasunog ko ang tinapay. I ripped my pants. I ripped my pants. Napunit ko ang pantalon ko. I tore a hole in my pants. I tore a hole in my pants. Nabutas ko ang pantalon ko.